And you can say, okay, here's a die, and students, how many sides are on the die? Well, there's 6, and have them pick a number between 1 and 6, and then write that down on their paper, and then 1/6 of your students should, when you roll the die, should get it right. So that number was 4, and if you had 30 students in your room, probably by statistically, 5 of them, which is 1/6 of 30, 5 of them should have chose 4, and then they'd be right. There's a 1 in 6 chance with 1 die. If you have 2 die, then ask them what the probability is of them being right if they picked both numbers on both of them. And you'll have students, some of them will say 1 in 12. Well, that's not possible because this could be a 1, right? The first die, and the number 2 could be a 1 also. It could be a 1 and a 2, it could be a 1 and a 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. And then you go through all those with the 2s, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, and then the 3s, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. That's already 18 possibilities, and you've only gone through the 3s on this one. So it's 6 possibilities times 6 possibilities, and 36 number combinations. Well, if you have 3 die times 6 again, you would have a 1 in 216 chance of being right if you guessed this, this, and this one. If you had 4 die, you'd have, let's see, what number is that? 1296. You'd have a 1 in 1,296 chance of being right. If you had 5 die times 6 again, you'd have a 1 in roughly 8,000 chance of being right if you predicted all these numbers. If you had, what are we up to, 6 die, you'd have about a 1 in 50,000 chance of being right. There's 7 die times 6 again. That's 1 in about 250,000. And then times 6 one last time. 8 dice here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 1.6 million. We'll just call it a million. Okay, both numbers are huge. So if you rolled these 8 die and students predicting, you can have them do this, have a number from 1 to 8 somewhere on their paper, and for each of those numbers, this will be die 1, this will be die 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and there's die number 8. Have them pick a number between 1 and 6 for each one of these, and then you can roll the die and then tell them they have a 1 in a million chance of being right.